Hello everyone, I'm ready with the new video, and here I am just going to discuss a new thing related to the area of triangle. Here I just want to discuss the concept of three collinear points. As the name suggests, we have 3 points and they are collinear. Here we have 3 points which are along the same line. Let me call them A, B and C. If this is the situation, and what we can say, we cannot form a triangle by using this. अगर हम A और B को एक साइड माने, B और BC को ज्वाइन करके दूसरी साइड निकाले, और अगर हम AC को ज्वाइन करेंगे तो वो साइड आपकी AB और BC के इक्वल आ रही है. मीन्स दिस पॉइंट आर कोलिनियर, दे आर अलोंग द सेम लाइन. So we can say here there is no possibility of forming a triangle. If there is no such triangle possible, then we can say the area of triangle formed here is nothing but 0. So when the 3 points are given as collinear, then we can say the area of triangle will be 0. So by using this concept, we can have a very important question whereby in coordinates of A, B and C will be having some unknown like K or some other variable, and we have to calculate the value of that unknown so that they are collinear. So let me take a simple question based on this concept, and then we will try to find out the value of unknown K in this question. So I am taking a question here. We have to find the value of K. Find the value of K for which the points are given here. The points are 8, 1, then K, -4, and the third point is 2, -5 are collinear. We have to find the value of K so that these 3 points are collinear. So here this is an application based on area of triangle where these 3 points are along the same line. So we can write here, let me call them as point A, B and C, and they are along the same line. This is point A, which is 8, 1, then point B, that is K, -4, and then point C, that is 2, -5. Now these three are collinear, means the area of triangle will be 0. So here we can write the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC will be 0. So let me write the formula first. 1/2. The value is x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2, that is y3 minus y1 plus x3, that is y1 minus y2, and this is 0 here. So let me substitute all the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 here. Clearly this is x1, y1, this point is x2, y2, and this point will be taken as x3, y3. So let us substitute the values. Clearly the value of x1 is 8, the value of y2 is -4, and y3 is -5. So this what we are getting here, plus x2 is K, y3 is -5 and y1 is 1, plus x3 is 2 here, and the value of y1 is 1 minus the value of y2 is -4. So minus of -4 we have to take here. Now when we solve this, this 1/2 we can bring it to RHS, and this will multiply with 0 and it will become 0. So we can ignore this 1/2 here. So this is 8. In bracket we will be writing -4 plus 5. So -4 plus 5 plus K times -6 plus 2 times, this will be 1 plus 4, that is 5. This is equals to 0. So from here what we are getting, this is 1, -4 plus 5 will be 1, 8 into 1 will be 8, minus 6K plus 10 is equals to 0. So from here we have a very simple result. 8 plus 10, that is 18, minus 6K is equals to 0. So clearly 6K is 18, and we are getting the value of K as 18/6, that is 3. So the value of k for which the 3 points A, B, C will be collinear here is 3. So if we substitute k is equals to 3, the area of the triangle ABC will become 0 here. So this is a really good question based on the concept of area of triangle, where we use this concept that if the points are collinear, they won't be able to form any triangle, means the height of triangle will be 0. In such a case, the area of triangle will be 0. So we substitute the value of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 in the formula for area of triangle and equate it to 0, so that we can have the value of unknown present in the question, and the value of this unknown k here is 3.